Hey there, if you are looking to get Gmail on your phone, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download the Gmail app in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the App Store. You can find it on your home screen. Tap on it to open. Once you're in the App Store, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a search icon. Tap on it. Now type Gmail in the search bar and hit search. To download the app, hit the Get button. If you have got Face ID or Touch ID set up, it might ask for a quick authentication. Just confirm and download will start. Tap on it. Once it's done, you'll see the Gmail icon pop up on your home screen, ready to go. And there you have it. Simple, right? You are now all set to use Gmail on your phone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you want more easy tips like this, subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.